Hi, this is Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to test the heating element on your dryer to see if it is good or bad. To test your heating element, you'll first need to unplug your dryer and remove the heating element from the dryer. This heating element is generally located on the right side of the dryer, and it is usually accessed by removing the bottom front panel of the dryer. When disconnecting the heating element, it is a good idea to make note of where each of the wires is connected to, or to take a picture so you don't forget where to reconnect the wires. Also, when handling the heating element, the edges of the sheet metal can be very sharp, so be careful not to cut yourself. With the heating element removed from the dryer, you'll first want to do a continuity test to see if the heating element, high limit thermostat, and thermal fuse are good. If your multimeter has the option, turn your meter to the continuity setting. Place one of each of the probes on each of the element's wire terminals. If the heating element is good, you'll hear an audible beeping noise, and if the element is bad, the meter will not make any noise. While you have the meter set to test continuity, you can also do a quick check of the high limit thermostat and thermal fuse to make sure that they both have continuity. If either of these parts does not have continuity, then they should be replaced. If your multimeter does not have a continuity setting, then you can do an ohm test. If you have an auto-ranging multimeter, then turn it to the ohm setting. If you have a manual ranging multimeter, then you'll need to set the meter to the lowest ohm setting. Place one of each of the probes on each of the element's wire terminals. You should get an approximate ohm reading of 9 to 12 ohms. If the display on the meter does not change, or if your ohm reading is far off from that, then you have a bad heating element. The final thing to do is to remove the heating element from the heater box canister. Remove the 1/4 inch hex head screw from the left side of the canister, and now you can pull the heating element out the front of the canister. Now with the heating element removed from the housing, look for any breaks in the element coil. Gently move the coils on the element back and forth, and in some cases this will make it easier to find the break in the element coil. Next, look to see if the metal plate that the element coil sits on is warped or cracked. If the metal plate warps too much, then the coil can short against the housing of the element or the heater box canister, and it can cause the dryer to heat even when the dryer isn't running. If your element is shorted, or you have a warped or cracked metal plate, then you should replace the heating element. Here's what a bad, cracked element looks like compared to a new heating element. If you find that you have a bad heating element, and you need to purchase a new one, you can purchase one from our online store by clicking the link in the description below. Be careful when shopping around for dryer heating elements, as many stores sell lower quality aftermarket heating elements. You can be assured when you purchase from Parts Doctor that you will receive a new OEM heating element. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more appliance repair videos. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button below. You can also stay up to date by liking us on our Facebook page and following us on Twitter.